Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain how to set up sheets in Autodesk Revit in a professional and organized manner. A sheet in Revit is used to present drawings in a structured format for printing and documentation. It typically includes views such as plans, sections, elevation, schedules, and legends. Creating a new sheet. To create a sheet, go to the View tab, click on Sheet. A dialog box will go to the View tab and click on Sheets. A dialog box will appear showing available title blocks. Select the required title block as per project standard and click OK. The title block is an essential part of the sheet. It contains project name, sheet number, sheet name, company standard, revision information. You can edit these details by selecting the title block and modify its properties. After creating the sheets, go to the properties panel, enter the sheet name, sheet number. Ensure that naming follows company standard for consistency and clarity. Placing views on sheet. To place views, drag and drop view from the project browser. You can add floor plans, ceiling plans, elevations, 3D views. Arrange them properly to maintain a clean and readable layout. Aligning views properly. For professional presentation, use alignment tools to align views. Maintain equal spacing between views. Ensure consistent margins. This improves the overall sheet quality and readability. Adding annotations. You can enhance the sheet by adding annotation, text notes, dimensions, tags. Make sure annotations are clear and not overcrowded. Each view has a title and scale. Adjust the view title position if needed. Ensure the scale is appropriate for readability. For better project management, use proper numbering systems. Group sheets available, example HVAC, electrical, plumbing. The, these helps in easy navigation and coordination. Once the sheet is ready, go to the file, select export, select format. If you want to CAD, you can select CAD. If you want to PDF, print or export as PDF. In conclusion, sheet setup in Revit is a crucial step for presenting drawings professionally. Proper arrangement, alignment, and standardization ensure high quality project and documentation. Okay, so and then That's it. Thank you for watching. This is part 10 of my Revit tutorial series. In the next video, I will explain more useful Revit concepts. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.